There's something about this time of year that makes you want to reset, you know? Clean out the closet, reorganize the pantry, finally deal with that junk drawer you've been avoiding since March. But there's one thing most people forget to declutter, and it's something you probably look at every single day: your inbox. This month, I decided to declutter my inbox, and it changed my mornings more than I would have imagined. So if you want to start the new year with a clean inbox, here's what actually worked for me. I used to check my email every single day, not because I was on top of things, but because if I skipped even one day, I'd come back to this wall of unread messages and immediately feel behind. Most of it wasn't even important. Sales alerts from stores I shopped at once, shipping updates for packages that already arrived, newsletters I signed up for years ago and never actually read, and I wasn't even annoyed by them. I'd just delete them. Every morning, click, delete, delete. It became the mindless routine I didn't even question until I saw someone online say, "Instead of deleting emails, what if you just unsubscribed?" And I thought, why haven't I done that? So I gave myself a little challenge. Every time a marketing email came in, instead of deleting it, I'd unsubscribe from unwanted emails right then and there. In Gmail, you can usually find an unsubscribe link next to the sender's name. Click it, confirm, and done. Outlook and Yahoo have similar options with the unsubscribe button at the top of the email. Some emails made it easy, others not so much. I'd click unsubscribe and get redirected to a website asking me to log in or fill out a form. Or I'd have to click manage my preferences through 17 different checkboxes. After about 15 senders, I was already tired of the process, and I still had dozens more to go. Instead, I used Clean Email. It is genuinely what made me actually finish the challenge instead of giving up halfway through. The unsubscriber pulls all of your subscriptions into one list. No opening emails one by one, and no redirect pages. You just scroll through, pick the ones you don't want, and unsubscribe from all of them at once. It even deletes the old emails from those senders automatically. And if I accidentally unsubscribe from something I wanted, there's a built-in list that tracks everyone, and I can hit resubscribe really easily. The Smart Folders feature really helps around this time of year. It has a seasonal sales folder, which shows me every single seasonal promotion I didn't even know. For newsletters I did want to keep, I actually set up Keep Newest, so it automatically keeps the latest few and clears out the rest. That way I stay subscribed, but my inbox doesn't become a graveyard of emails I'll read later. If you want to try it, there's a link in the description for 15% off. What actually changed after I did this? I was honestly shocked at how many companies were emailing me. I would have guessed maybe 6 or 7. It was over 20. Places I've shopped at once, services I signed up for and forgot about, apps I downloaded 3 phones ago. Second, and this surprised me the most, my mornings actually feel calmer. I didn't realize how much low-level stress I was carrying from that daily delete routine. It wasn't dramatic, it was just a small, constant strain. And now it's gone. The beauty of it is you don't have to clean it all at once. Even just unsubscribing from 5 senders today is a win. And if you want to speed things up, you know where to find the link. It's in the description below for 15% off. Here's to quieter inboxes and calmer mornings. You've got this.